Hi, I'm Victoria.
I'm Sarah.
And today we're going to give you a quick market update. The market is really keeping all of us on our toes, so we thought it'd be helpful to just give you a little bit of a pulse check on what's happening right now.
So the first area that we want to point out is just active inventory. Right now, across Los Angeles County, there's about 6,900 homes on the market that are active for sale. Compare this to pre-COVID levels in 2019. May of 2019, we had over 13,000 active homes for sale. So we're at about half of those levels right now.
By May of 2020, the active inventory had gotten all the way down to 8,600. That was early COVID. People were really fearful and there was a lot of uncertainty in the market. By May of 2021, we were in one of the craziest markets of recent history. So a lot of sellers saw it as an opportunity, put their homes on the market, and we were up to a little over 10,500 homes active on the market. The pace at which homes were selling was incredibly fast. So by May of 2022, we had gotten down into the 8,000s. Now bringing us to where Sarah mentioned today, we're just under 7,000, which is extremely low.
So what does this mean for home values, you might be wondering? Well, because we have such low inventory, despite higher interest rates and despite a reduction in the number of transactions that are actually happening, prices are still appreciating. This is just supply and demand economics. While maybe demand has lowered, supply has drastically lowered, which means we're still seeing multiple offers oftentimes on homes, and we're still seeing prices staying really strong, if not appreciating.
Another thing we're getting asked about a lot is the impact of ULA, or the mansion tax, on sales over $5 million, the higher price point sales here in LA. So since April 1st of this year, 171 homes over $5 million have sold in LA County. That does include City of Malibu and City of Beverly Hills, which are both not participating in ULA. But for the most part, that gives us a really good pulse on the number of transactions. Comparing to this time last year, where 577 homes sold since April 1st of 2022.
Now, of course, we are seeing less transactions overall, but not in the same proportion. So we have noticed that ULA has impacted the number of sales over 5 million quite significantly. To look at some of the numbers, we've seen about 2/3 overall total sales year to date in LA County. And then, as Victoria pointed out, we're seeing about 20% sales over 5 million compared to last year.
The market we're in is presenting really interesting challenges for both buyers and sellers, which is somewhat unprecedented. We're not in a traditional strong buyer or strong seller situation. There's nuances to both sides. So we've really been working on coming up with strategies, whether it's how to deal with ULA, how to get more favorable financing, and get creative so that if you are wanting to buy or sell a home, you have some options. So please reach out to us. We are so happy to chat and excited to brainstorm with you what we can figure out to really help your particular situation.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.